Hey everybody, John Doan here from Equinox Home Finance. Today we're going to talk about different types of down payments you can use when buying a home, and today's particular topic is going to be about cash. So back in the days, when I first started in this industry, it was so bizarre to me that people could take photos, they're safe, with stacks of $100 bills and be able to use that as proof of funds to buy a home. Well, after the 9/11 in 2001, a lot of things changed, right? There were like anti-terrorist acts that came out, the Patriot Act. So now we want to follow where money came from, and it's required. So unfortunately, you can't just use cash to buy a home anymore or use it for your down payment. You could, but it gets pretty complicated. So for example, if you do have a stack of cash sitting in a safe at home that you want to utilize to buy a home with, A, you have to have receipts of where it came from. B, you have to have proof of you withdrawing it from your account or you getting paid with these receipts, which I'm gonna say 9 out of 10 times people just don't have. It's very rare that people track every time they take cash out of the bank or they put away cash. And sometimes, it takes years to accumulate these amounts of cash that we are seeing. And unfortunately, it's hard to use cash to buy. One of the seasoning requirements is 60 days. If you were to deposit your cash into your bank account and you waited 60 days or 2 billing bank statement cycles, there wouldn't be any questions asked. You would just have to start depositing your own funds, and we as a lender would not ask or go back to try to track down or paper trail where that cash came from because you met the 60-day requirement of seasoning those funds. That's it. That's what I wanted to share today about using cash for a down payment when buying a home. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to our channel below so you can find out more about home financing.